Welcome to the Creepy Cafetorium, where nothing is ever normal. Sometimes your food can take on a life of its own. On today's menu, there's Jello. And no one's more excited about Jello Day than Liz Dawson, champion Jello eater. Oh, but what's this? The Jello has run off her tray. And now Liz has a Jello twin. Everyone thinks Jello Liz is the real Liz. What will Liz Dawson do now? Will she be able to prove her true identity to the world before it's too late? Will her teachers and friends turn into Jello too? To find out what happens next, read Creepy Cafetorium, only on Epic.